Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today we are going to watch how to manage fonts on Windows 11. So the first way is add fonts from Microsoft Store. For this you have to open the setting page by pressing Windows plus I key together. Now from the left pane, click on Personalization. Now go to the right side, scroll down and look for fonts. Here it is. Now click on this link, get more fonts in Microsoft Store. I'm clicking on this. Wait for a while, it will take some time. Now select the font family. Okay, I'm selecting this. Now click on Get button. Once you complete the steps, the font family will be installed and available in the system and apps. So it will take some time to download. So yes, it's completed. Now you can get it on the systems and apps. Moving towards way 2, it's download all supported fonts. For this you have to open settings, just pressing Windows plus I key. Now from the left pane, click on personalization. Now scroll down and from the right side select fonts. On the right, scroll down and under related settings click on download fonts for all languages. Here it is. Now click the OK button. After you complete the steps, Windows 11 will download all the fonts for all the supported languages. Let's see how to install fonts from external sources. So the first way is through download the font through Google search. For this you have to open your default browser. Type download font. Hit the enter key. Now go to the download location. I'm opening it on a new tab. You can choose your required ones. Here it is. Let me download this one. Here you can see the download icon. Click on this. Yes, it's downloaded. Now click on this drop down. Click on show in folder. Now right click on this and choose extract all. Now click on extract. Now go to this file. Now double click on this one. Click on install. So yes, it's already installed. Also, you can install fonts from the font setting page. For this, you have to download from external sources as previous method. So I'm downloading this for the second way. Here it is. So now let me close it and then press Windows key plus I to open the settings. From left, click on personalization. Scroll down and from the right, choose fonts. Now you have to drag and drop the file in the designated area of the font settings to install the fonts. Now open File Explorer, pressing Windows key plus E together. Go to Downloads. Here you can see this one we have downloaded just now. Right click on this. Click on Extract All. Now click on Extract. Now just minimize it a bit. Let me close this and drag and drop it here. So yes, it's here. That's all. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.